everybody. I'm Mr. Geo, and I'm hanging out with Cam, and this is Coach Chris.
Hello.
And we are here to reveal to you what Cam has made.
So, I made some Nike shoes, and I think they're pretty cool.
Cam made these shoes on the Nike Custom Creator. He went right on the Nike app on my phone and made them.
So you just go to Nike.com and you can make your own shoe?
Nike.com or download the Nike app.
Okay. Cam, you want to show us what shoes you made?
See what you did.
Whoa.
And you did that, Cam?
Yeah.
Wow. It's amazing.
You want to tell us what the inspiration is?
Oh, and it even says
Camday?
Camday.
And Daycam.
Daycam.
I call them the Daycams.
The Daycams and Camday.
The shoe design, these are Sabrina ones. WNBA player Sabrina. So these are her first signature Nike shoes.
Right?
All
Cool. Well, these
And
are
you
awesome.
can do it too. Anyone can do it.
Yeah, just go to Nike.com or get the app, it sounds like, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, if you get some, be sure to tag us in your pictures or video. We want to see. Bye, guys.
All right, see ya.
Bye-bye.
Fusion Muse.